Hello everyone, a quick update. This is day 5 of our Rolloween workshop. No, it's 5. Oh, it might be day 4. Yeah, it is day 4. Really hot day, so we set up cover in front so we can do some paint and work here. And also, this is our full-scale, bare-bones mock-up of Emil's chair, onto which we can build up the Mars Perseverance rover costume and make sure it fits and that we have the best anchoring points. Additionally, Emil is coming in anytime soon to make sure we're on the right track and to get his ideas and feedback for this build. We made quite a wonderful discovery this afternoon. Emil's dad owns a drone equipped with a camera. You know who else has a drone? Yeah, Perseverance has a drone helicopter called Ingenuity. So we're thinking of having Patrice, Emil's dad, fly his drone to add even more high-tech realism to the costume and shooting footage whenever possible. Still a few kinks to work out, but if that works, oh wow. Shortly after Emil's visit, Jen and Kim got to finishing painting Chad's castle walls using different techniques, including something a bit like dry brushing. Meanwhile, I started stacking up polystyrene to build up Percy. I'll be marking and cutting, and I'm trying Lepage tight foam to glue the panels together. These cans contain smaller quantities, so there's less waste. One thing I discovered is that it doesn't harden and stick as quickly as what I call the regular stuff. But once hard, it really sticks. And make sure you work in a well-ventilated area and wear gloves with these products. This stuff is really sticky. That's that. And we'll talk to you later. Right there. No. Good job.
Good job.
Good job. Good job. Good job.